It's 3 a.m., the network's fine, the systems are fine, but you're still awake. Because the real question isn't what's running, it's what's next. AI is everywhere, but where do you even begin? How do you turn buzzwords into business results? How do you connect what's possible to what's practical? That's where Axelliant and Cisco step in. Together, we help businesses move from AI chaos to real outcomes. Cisco provides the secure, high-performance backbone. Axelliant brings the AI know-how, developing, integrating, and scaling intelligent systems that actually work. So, how do you move from AI anxiety to real business impact? First, we identify the highest value AI opportunities, targeting measurable outcomes like better forecasting. Next, we build tailored, secure, intelligent systems that plug directly into your existing workflows. Finally, we ensure enterprise-scale adoption, expanding your success from one region to the entire business. We help you find where AI delivers the biggest impact, from real-time visibility to smarter security and predictive performance. Our team builds AI into your existing workflows, so your systems don't just respond, they anticipate. Once it works, we help you scale it, department by department, region by region. Because AI shouldn't slow you down, it should enhance your business. AI shouldn't keep you up at night. With Axelliant, AI can help you lead with confidence and maybe even get some sleep. Get your free AI assessment from Axelliant, powered by Cisco. We'll help you build a roadmap that makes sense and gets results.